Financial Moments with Tom Copeland.
Are you hurting emotionally because of financial problems? Do you feel brokenhearted or oppressed? If yes, then don't worry. Jesus has this wonderful promise for you. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me because He has sent me to heal the brokenhearted, to proclaim liberty to the captives, and to set at liberty those who are oppressed. Luke 4:18. Remember, God is with you, and God has promised to help you. Psalms 34:18 says, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted, and He saves those who are crushed in spirit." And in Isaiah 40:31, God says, "But those whose hope is in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint." The most practical way to experience God's hope and comfort during these times of financial difficulty is to meditate upon key scriptures such as those above, and this one, Psalms 119:50, which says, "This is my comfort. In my affliction, your word has revived me." Praise God for that.